Well, that is my latest build here in the studio space. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed building this PC. It's been a long time in the making for me. I've been kind of on the back burner, and I was like, okay, now it's the time to upgrade. The reason why I chose certain parts in here, obviously it's all personal. I went for the Ryzen 9 because I'm not just gaming on this PC. I do a ton of content creation. I render a ton of videos, and if I want to stream and just have one whole powerhouse of a rig, I can do that with the Ryzen 9. The 5080 I think is a phenomenal card. The other ones are just like really hard to get your hands on. Also like super expensive for the percent boost there. For me, this card not only hit the mark to match this beautiful build, but I really like the way everything's performing in this whole PC. The Elgato capture card might have some people confused. It's an older HDMI input card that I personally use here to get a ton of different angles of my studio space. If I'm recording content or streaming, just with a click of a button, I could do like talk to you right now on the face cam, or quickly swap over to, let's say, my ceiling cam here, where I get like an overlook of the studio, or just get a quick look at the PC while I'm gaming or streaming, or maybe I'm recording something. It just really works out for my workflow. I chose Lian Li because honestly, at the end of the day, they have just been crushing the game. This is my third Lian Li case, and I just don't want anything else. I mean, the way they just build their cases and their parts in general, they just keep getting better with time. This case just has that nice glass top option as well. It makes everything just look more open and airy, and just really matches beautifully with the all-white theme. Their fans with the wireless receiver just make installing and just monitoring and controlling so much easier. I could not recommend these fans enough. And the Galahad also is a great cooler. I can monitor multiple temps at once. And again, everything matches beautifully. Overall, though, I'm really curious what you guys think of the build. When it comes to the price point, the exact number I didn't really work out. It's literally under $4 grand, but over 3,500. So like probably like around 37 something. I did get a bunch of parts on sale. I will link everything down below in the video description if you guys want to check out some of the parts or maybe pick something up yourself. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to just comment down below. I'll do my best to answer all of those questions. If you guys are new to the channel, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button now, as I'm trying to grow the community bigger and better, and hopefully we can build more PCs here in the near future. So go ahead and hit subscribe now. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button. And I did open up the membership program. You could join the $1 club today to show some extra support. And that's it for me. Most importantly, you guys stay safe out there. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.